Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all, went to Dollar General to actually see what they have, okay? Yeah, when I go to one store, I could have got my deal from one store and been done with it, but I forgot that they keep the Downy, the Gain, and all that up front by the cash register. I was just like, I went in this one store and I was just over it. I was like, really? And then so I just went ahead and went to another store, which wasn't that far from the store I was at. And I asked the dude, I was like, hey, where's your Downy Unstoppable? He said everything's up front. I was like, oh, okay. I forgot that that's where they actually keep mainly all the products that people are stealing. They keep that up front. So I was like, dang. I could have been done with one store and been out, but it's all good. So, down, Lord, these Downy Unstoppable beads, okay? They are $6.95. There is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. Also, I purchased the regular Downy, the Cool Cotton, I purchased these also, and they are the 8.6 ounces. This is $6.95 too, with a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is the Axe deodorant. It is, let's see, the Axe deodorant is $3. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. Then also I got these Chere'er little packs. That's the Keratin Smooth for your hair. These are $2 each. So I had to get 3 because there is a $5 off of 3 of these packs that is making all of these y'all $1. Because if they're $2 a piece and $5 come off, it makes it $1. So these are good examples of putting these in your 5 off of 25, making your price go up. But once the coupons come off that are high volume coupons, it makes your out of pocket real low. Yes, real low. So this right here, these Chere'er packs and also this Axe deodorant is a good example of when you all want to do the 5 off of 25 and you don't want to pay a high price out of pocket for your subtotal. So you always want to look for these type of items if you have the good high price digital coupons that is up there. So then the next thing I got was these Febreze. I see they have different ones. They have the ones that they actually have like from last year and year before last. I wish they would actually come out with some more better Febreze than the ones they have bring back every year, like the watermelon, the lilac. They bring those back every year, but you know, I guess people really like them. They have other ones too, but they're out of them. So this one right here, this Febreze Air Mist Honey Berry Hula, this is a Gain scented. This is the first time I've ever seen this one. So I got this. This is $3 and let's see, 25 cents for this. And then I've seen this Bora Bora water before. This is $3.25 too. I have a $3.30 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching, which this is mainly like a buy one, get one free to me. That's how I look at it. So you can't beat it. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul. And so my subtotal is $7.11. Yes, y'all, $7.11. So, but you know, everybody's taxes is different. So once I put everything up there, she scanned it And then I put my number in. All my digitals came off. So let me show you my receipt. There you go. There you go. There it is. There's the $7.11. You know, everybody's tax is different. And look at my total savings. $22.29. Yes, $22.29. I didn't get no 5 off of 25 for next week. Hopefully, hopefully this is, hopefully we get a 5 off of 25 paper and a digital. Mainly the digital, because that's what I mainly use. But if we don't, hey, it is what it is. You know how they be doing everything. But this right here, y'all, is an example of the old receipt. I had got a comment, and I didn't have a paper of the new receipts that I always say new receipts and old receipts. This right here is an example of the old receipt. So this right here is my Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. If you would just like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low, low. Yes, I mean the low, low. And thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.